Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll be creating a unique punch needle card design from start to finish. Whether you're a beginner or experienced with punch needle embroidery, this project is fun and easy to follow. Let's get started. For this project, you'll need an embroidery hoop, punch needle tool, fabric, yarn in various colors, scissors, and a card design template. Make sure your fabric is stretched tightly in the hoop for the best results. Start by tracing your card design onto the fabric using a fabric marker. This will serve as a guide when stitching. If you prefer, you can freehand the design directly onto the fabric. Now, thread your punch needle with the chosen color for the outline. Slowly follow the lines, punching the needle through the fabric to create a neat border around the card. Once the outline is complete, it's time to fill in the card. Use short, consistent punches to create a smooth and even texture. Switch colors as needed to add details like the windows, wheels, and headlights. For smaller details, use a thinner yarn or adjust the punch needle depth to create different textures. This will make your card design stand out beautifully. After completing the design, gently trim any loose threads and secure the back with glue or fabric backing. You can now frame your punch needle card or turn it into a patch for a bag or pillow. And there you have it, your very own punch needle card. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more creative projects. Thanks for watching.